We're at a park today, and sometimes on these wood chips that they put in the park, a lot of times you can find just some really neat stuff. So I got the Knox. Let's go metal detecting. Getting about 25 right here, somewhere in here. For a second I thought it was a dime, but it's just a penny. I think it was about 23. Looks like another penny. So here I am, right here at a little swing set. And down below here, I'm getting about a 20, I think it was about 25, I can't remember. There it is. It must have been more than a 25 because that's a quarter there. One of the things I hate to see, I mean, just really I don't like, is to see that someone's come through here and didn't cover up their hose. So I started looking at these. I should have just tried to cover them up. And the more I looked, I thought, this is just terrible. Why did they do that? And then, as I was metal detecting, I saw there was a squirrel digging up a nut or something, and he's digging it up. I thought, that's what it is. All these squirrels in this park is digging this up. So it wasn't metal detectorist out here doing it. It was the squirrels. How do you like that? Looks possibly a quarter. There it is right there. Isn't that amazing? Well, as I got this quarter, I look over here, and here's a little Batman someone dropped. I think I'll put it up here. Maybe some boy can play with that thing. I mean, look at this. Doesn't that just look like someone digging here? Anyway, I have a I'm reading about a 31, so it's probably a nickel. I'm hoping a nickel, a quarter. So let's take the pinpointer. I sure like my White's TRX. I think I see it. Nice quarter. Got about 25, 26. There it is, a little penny. Don't know if you... Well, I got about a 25, and the coins just seem shinier in this stuff. Read about a 20, 25, 26, and it's just so shiny. I can't believe it was maybe a ½ inch down. Anyway, about 25. At least the soil's nice and easy to open here. I'm thinking it's a little bit further down. Oh, I see it. It's right in here. Is that a dime? I think so. Yeah, it's a Roosevelt. I think it's right there. There it is. Huh. Looks like a modern day quarter. I'm getting about a 30, 31. Wow. Can't beat that. You see this? It's just laying on top of the ground. Over here by the volleyball court. Didn't look at my battery this morning. I figured it was still good. But the first time I've ever had my battery go out in my GoPro. I guess I need to charge it up a little bit more. So with that, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll probably have another video out in another week or so.